This is the 25th video presentation for the Case Animal course. As you view this video, be sure to make notes of important information. Feel free to pause, repeat, and resume the video whenever necessary. Signs of Health, Lesson 8.2, Diseased. As you completed Lesson 8.1, you researched governmental regulatory agencies and identified the primary purposes and responsibilities of each agency regarding disease prevention and control. The first step in being able to diagnose a disease properly is to recognize the signs of good and poor health. Health is the state of a plant or animal where all parts are functioning normally. A healthy animal exhibits no symptoms of disease and displays normal vital signs. If you know how a healthy animal appears, it is much easier to diagnose problems. A healthy animal appears content. Signs of contentment in animals include stretching upon rising, standing or lying quietly, and relaxed when resting. Healthy animals are alert, bright-eyed, and ears pricked after slight noises. Healthy animals are eager for feed. Appetite includes cud chewing in ruminants. Healthy animals have a sleek hair coat and the skin is elastic. Healthy animals will have bright eyes and pink eye membranes. Gum tissue should also be pink. Feces and urine should remain fairly constant. Changes in feed, especially fresh grass, may cause loose feces, but there should not be undigested feed, blood, mucus, or pus in the feces. The temperature, heart rate, and respiration rate of animals are good indicators of health, but require a more thorough physical examination. Symptoms of poor health may be hard to recognize at first and without frequent observations. Indicators of poor health are sometimes more easily observed and include loss of appetite, listlessness, droopy ears, humped back, head down, separation from other animals, coughing, wheezing, or labored breathing. There are other animal and disease-specific indicators. Diagnosing a disease is a complex process that involves recognizing that the animal is ill and recognizing the symptoms of an illness. Becoming a good diagnostician requires practice, knowledge of animals, knowledge of diseases, the ability to apply and use scientific inquiry, and a little luck. Early detection of an illness can significantly reduce its duration and severity. For complicated or uncommon diseases, a trained professional, such as a veterinarian, should be consulted. Diagnosticians look for symptoms that indicate a specific disease. This helps to determine an appropriate treatment. Disease treatment is determined by the species, the disease, and the effectiveness and availability of medications. Some diseases are not easily treated with medications and may require separation and individual care until the animal has recovered. Other diseases, such as many bacterial infections, are easily combated with medication for quick recovery. Most medical treatments require the assistance of a veterinarian. Treatment of animal diseases can be administered topically, orally, or through injection. Topical treatments are applied to the skin and can be a liquid or powder, such as Advantage or ivermectin. Oral treatments can be administered through feeding, drenching, or with a balling gun. Drenching gives an animal fluid medications through the mouth. Balling guns hold a capsule or bolus, much like a pill you swallow. The ball gun allows producers to place the bolus at the back of the throat of an animal to ensure the medication will be swallowed. Injections are commonly used and will be discussed in greater detail in a later lesson. Intramuscular injections are given in the muscle, and subcutaneous injections are given under the skin. As you review, mark or highlight 3 key points in your notes that are important to remember from this presentation. List 2 ideas or concepts that relate to previous knowledge. List any questions you have about this topic. Discuss these questions with your instructor. Keep any notes you have from this presentation organized and available for use throughout the course. Through Activity 8.2.1, Vitally Important, you will research, record, and assess the vital signs of an animal. This will help you understand how vital signs are used to identify health or illness and vary among species. Your instructor will share specific instructions for Activity 8.2.1, Vitally Important.